something I like about the instrument panel. When you move it into the light, I like how it turns back. So this is in the dark. And you go back, get into the light. Turn the light. That's smooth. Like that. All right. What's up? So, for the people that don't know, I'm in the state of Michigan and we are under a stay-at-home advisory. Well, this is my gym that I'm at right now, LA Fitness, and it's closed too. So what I'm doing out here, just decided to take the bike out for some essentials that I had to get. So just bring the bike out right quick, and I'm not really bothered by the quarantine because I've kind of been at home for like going on 3 weeks working. Here's some other bikes out here. Yeah, but just took the bike out, and I was able to stretch her legs today a little bit. Yeah, so this is what she looked like. Added a few things. So what I did add was just some little accessories, really. Dress it up a little bit, add a little red to it. The CNC red accent. Took some of the stickers off. I had to. Also replaced the gas tank. Had to install a tank pad. Put the side tank pads on. These are really grippy too. These by Tech Spec. I had these on my other bikes before. So yeah, replaced the windscreen with the zero gravity. Replaced the levers. This is the clutch lever, brake lever. Yeah, so the bike is riding good. I'm not going to do a full review, anything on it right now. Of course, I got the chain wax flying off pretty rapidly on the tire, so I kind of got to be careful with that. I was able to leave a little bit. Just a little bit. Still don't have 100 miles on the bike yet. But yeah, just a few little accents I did. I want to get used to the bike before I just go all out or whatever on this bike. Yeah, so just out, like I said, get some essentials today. It's like 50, about 55, I think 56 right now. Yeah, another thing about this bike I noticed is that it's black and pewter. It's not completely black, or what is it, black and pewter or platinum? Not sure exactly what they call it. See how it fades right here. on the tank. But it somewhat matches the wheels. So yeah, I like the sound of this V-twin engine. It's not, it's very distinctive, of course, just like the R1, just like the Ducatis. But I like the distinctive sound of the V-twin. I'm not really pounding on this bike or anything, but I can say when you pull that throttle on this bike, the revs climb. It's a lateral climb, and before you know it, you're going faster than you actually realize. That's what I noticed about this bike. Yeah, but I like it so far. The brakes feel good. Like I said, I have less than 100 miles on it, but the brakes feel good. The quick shifter and the up and the down. Quick shifter is up. Of course, the downshift is the smoothest. I haven't really played around with the upshift, but it is really smooth. Exactly what I've heard from other Aprilia 1100 factory owners and reviews. So yeah, it's real smooth. I would like to get this shifter. It looks wimpy. It don't feel all that bad, but it's kind of one of those things when I look at it, it kind of aggravates me. So I need to upgrade that. I don't know if I want to get the rear sets or not, but I definitely want to replace that shifter. So yeah, I just did a quick video. There's some content, so all of you that can't ride or bored, so we haven't been able to really get out and ride in Michigan. Like I said, I think I rode this thing maybe, this is only the second time I've rode it since I've had it. I got it in December, so weather don't permits us to really ride until I would say May. But yeah, I'll come out with some more content and do a full review once I get some more miles in on it. But so far, so pleased. Definitely pleased with my purchase. Definitely rides like a different motorcycle than I've ever owned before. There's definitely a distinction between the V-twin engine, how it delivers power. Like I said, it's linear delivery. I did get on the highway and it felt real good, real smooth, absorbs the bumps real good. Like I said, I'm not gonna go over everything right now, but I'm pleased with it. The thing you immediately notice about this bike, especially like when I bought it as a fellow rider, the first thing you notice is how tall this bike is. The height of it, the seat height is tall, and I'm 5'5", so I usually don't lower my bikes at all. I like the height, but for safety, like backing up, if I'm getting out of a parking space, I would like to lower it at least a ½ inch. So I'm gonna wait until I get the exhaust replaced, because in order to do that, it isn't easy as I thought. So you got to take the exhaust off first in order to do that, and I really don't want to play around with this exhaust. But there's the nut that you have to take loose. And unless you got small hands, you ain't getting in there. So yeah, you gotta take the exhaust off first to get to that. So I'm gonna wait until I replace the exhaust in probably another month or two. I do have an exhaust on order. So when that comes in, once I do the oil change and everything, I want to at least do that, break in the engine probably first, get that 1,000 miles on it before I start doing that. I'm a person that likes to ride, like to feel the bike first, feel it, see how it rides before I start making changes, so I know, you know, I actually feel the difference. That's just preference for me. Same way some people break in their bike easy, some people break in their bike hard. So I don't think it's a right way to do it. It's just you have a manufacturer's way of doing it, and people decide to do other ways. So yeah, but I'm very pleased with this bike. Yeah, I mean it's very powerful. Very powerful. But yeah, I'll do a review coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let me get my ride on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.